Hello, Poinciana High School seniors. It's Mrs. Malfair here to check in with you on a few things that you can be doing to help yourself get ready for life after graduation. It's coming. Graduation will be here before you know it, and you have plenty to take advantage of before that happens. The first thing I want to do is remind you, seniors, you are required to have a confirmed plan for graduation, whether that be an acceptance into trade school, technical school, or college, whether that be enlisting in the military, or whether that be having a full-time job opportunity. We are looking to see that y'all have plans for yourself set in place for when you graduate high school. The first thing I'm going to do is show you a few resources if you haven't seen them already. The next thing I'm going to do is show you how to polish your resume so that you are ready for job hunting. So right now on your screen, you'll see that I'm on the Poinciana High School website. It looks like this. You're going to go to guidance, go ahead and click on college and career, and this has every bit of information that you'll ever need to connect with me or learn about planning your future. For example, if you click connect to the CCC, you'll see information on how to get in the senior remind. If you're not in that remind account, you are missing out. If you click on financial aid, there's a ton of information here about scholarships, about paying for college, and things like that that you can go ahead and look through. After that, if you click on professionalism, there's all sorts of information in here on how to email professionally, interviewing etiquette if you're interviewing for big-time jobs or even a part-time job, and of course, information on how to rock a resume. The last thing I'm going to show you before we dive into your resume writing is going to be the senior tab on the college and career website. This is the gold mine of information that you need to figure out what's going on after high school and to make sure you're connected to resources. Reminder that you should be sending me every college, technical, or trade school acceptance, every scholarship offer, every full-time job offer. You should be forwarding me your FAFSA confirmation pages. You should also be sending me your enlistment confirmation if you choose to enlist. Remember, you do get a free t-shirt the first time you show me your enlistment, your first job offer, or your first college acceptance. And of course, you get entered to win prizes from the district as well. There's information on how to make an appointment with me under the seniors tab. There's information on how to make an appointment with Mrs. Burton, our Valencia transition coach, on this tab. And you'll also find information on Osceola Prosper if you fall down to the bottom here. Remember, if you want to take advantage of Prosper, you need your FAFSA done. You need to earn your high school diploma. If you do not graduate, there is no college for you. You'll also need to make sure you do the Contact Me form and apply to the programs that you're interested in. The Osceola Prosper website, which is just osceolaprosper.com, has all the information that you'll need. Now, I'm going to go to Xello. When you're a senior, this is what Xello looks like. We can reset your matchmaker option if you want to see, now that you're a little bit older, the types of careers that align with your goals and your interests. You can search for career information, school information, or major information if there's still some things out there you want to think about. Under college planning, if you click on it and you scroll down, you'll see there's a whole section on Xello for finding local scholarships. But what we're going to do is I'm going to click on the Xello homepage and I'm going to click on the About Me tab at the top. I'm going to scroll down to where it says resume and I'm going to click begin or update. This is going to walk you through how to make a resume. I strongly recommend that when you make a resume, you're using proper grammar and proper capitalizations to make it look as professional as possible. Whenever you're done, you can actually download your resume for a copy to go ahead and apply for jobs. A couple of life tips for you as you move forward. Remember, you want to make sure you're using a professional email. Guys, your school email is going to go away when you graduate. Make sure your ACT accounts, College Board accounts, nothing is linked to your school email. You'll also want to make sure you're checking your email regularly as well as your Remind, because colleges, jobs, they're going to be sending you a lot of information you're going to need that you're not going to want to miss out on. Of course, if you have questions anytime, message me on Remind and I can answer your questions pretty quickly for you. You can also email me anytime, schedule a meeting. I'm here to help y'all get ready for life after graduation. You got this.